Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
Hi there, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back and welcome to my kitchen. If you're new here, I want to take just a minute to introduce myself. I'm Catherine. I'm a homeschool mom to 6 children from ages 6 through 15. And we've been homeschooling now for 10 years. I can hardly believe it. A lot of what I share on my channel is homemaking type of encouragement. I share a lot of cleaning and cooking. From time to time, you'll see organizing or decorating. And so if you're interested in those kind of things, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and stick around for more from my channel.
High, even if the sky is falling down.
So tonight I am just cleaning up the kitchen. My kids are over cleaning up the dining room. It's after dinner and I'm trying to get everything put away from our whole day. We had a lot of stuff out. I had different pans and things out from the previous days. You can see there's muffin tins. That was from a couple days ago. I just want to get my counters clear and absolutely everything put away. And you'll see at the end of this video, we got that done. I am looking forward to waking up to this clean kitchen in the morning. So if it's after dinner for you, or maybe it is first thing in the morning and you're playing catch up, which happens to all of us sometimes, I hope that you'll clean along with me and we can get our spaces clean together.
I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down.
So one of the trouble spots in my kitchen is usually dirty dishes, and most of it is cups. Earlier in the day, I had washed cups, just a sink full of cups, and I had 18 cups in here. Now, we are a family of 8. There's 6 kids and 2 adults, but 18 cups dirty seems a little bit excessive to me. So when I saw that there were a whole bunch more cups, I kind of got on the kids and said, look, you need to remember who has what cup and where your cup is. We had some a while back that had names on them, and I think we are going back to that system because I am so over washing all of the cups. I don't think we even need to have this many cups in the house if we're going to go through all of them. It just makes too much dishes. So tell me, do you have a trouble spot? You know, maybe somebody is getting out all the spoons in the day or something silly like that. What is your trouble spot in your kitchen?
Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go cause you're a work of art.
I love giving the stove a little bit of a wipe down, and you can see I am just doing a good enough job. My burners are not 100% completely crumb free, but they're fairly clean. I cleaned it on the weekend pretty well. But I just love giving everything a good wipe down, and just getting the surfaces clean and shiny is just so satisfying for me, and it only takes a few seconds. I gave my cast iron a good wipe down with hot water. That's how I usually wash them, and I think that is a recommended way to clean cast iron. I think you can also use salt or a scrubber if you're looking for something to really clean them, maybe scrape off some cooked on food. But a good seasoned cast iron should have a smooth surface that's pretty easy to clean. So a scrubber or a sponge and hot water usually does the trick for us, and then I dry them on heat so that they're nice and dry when I put them away.
if you might mess it up. Shine, go ahead and shine, darling, go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up, just shine.
Getting those millions of cups put away, you can see I kind of have a reasonable amount of cups, I feel like, especially when we have guests over, but it is not reasonable to have every single cup dirty. So getting all those put up, and I definitely told the kids which ones they can use and to keep track of their own cups.
Feels like time is going faster than it seems. We were just two kids who were trying to live the teenage dream. We could see no reason but we should ever try to go to sleep. Remember every weekend we stayed out late and then went home to me. I wish that I could live that dream again. 'Cause it was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me.
This definitely feels so good. I feel like the kitchen is actually becoming clean. Everything is getting put back in its spot where it belongs. I'm just gonna put the silverware away and then wipe down the counters, and I think we are nearing the end of this. I cannot wait for you to see my clean kitchen. I felt like the counters were sparkling. I was so happy to see a clean kitchen after dinner today.
Life was gonna be, I told you it'd be alright as long as I could have you next to me. I wish that I could live that dream again. 'Cause it was only you and me.
Oh no, I had that moment of the one pan you forgot on the stove or something, but in this case it was my crock pot. So we had finished off a roast that we had in the crock pot, and I needed to wash that crock pot. I'm so glad at least I hadn't wiped out the sink yet, but I did need to get rid of the drippings from that roast and just wash off the crock pot real quick, and then we're almost done.
You and me, baby, it was you and me. Baby, it was. 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 I wish that I could live that dream again. 'Cause it was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me.
And there we have it. Oh, it feels so good to have the kitchen clean, and I am so looking forward to relaxing this evening and waking up to this clean kitchen in the morning. So thank you so much. If you've stuck with me till this time, I hope you hit that subscribe button and come back for more. And here is the dining room that my kids did all by themselves. They did a great job. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.